Toothpick here, and I'm here to show you how to make Toothpick's Kickin Thanksgiving green bean casserole. All these ingredients, get your 13 by 9. I'm gonna show you how it goes down. Let's go! Onion, most of it diced, some of it minced. Fried onions, French cut style green beans, cream of mushroom soup, Parmesan cheese, Dano's baby! Step 1. Preheat your oven to 350. Get your onions sliced, dice them up. Hold a little aside. These little bit of onions that we left earlier, we're gonna take these and instead of dicing them, we're gonna dice them and dice them and dice them. We're gonna mince them up. We've got our onion, most of it diced, some of it minced. I'll show you why we did that, because we did it for a reason. Got your 13 by 9 pan. Got your French's fried onions. You wanna get French cut style green beans, 4 cans, drain them. 2 cans of cream of mushroom soup, Parmesan cheese, and don't forget the best part, Dano's baby. It's that all natural, low sodium, no sugar, no chemical seasoning. It's that taste bud pleasing seasoning that you've been missing your whole life. Dump in 2 of your cans of green beans. Scoop in 1 can of cream of mushroom. Mix that up a little bit. Work it around as you dump in your other cans. Add your last can of cream of mushroom. You remember when I said we had diced and minced onions? Take your minced onions and mix those in with the mixture. Mix it up a little bit. Get it all across the pan. I don't think they're ready for this next part. I don't think they're ready for it at all. Reach to your right. Grab your spicy Dano's. That's the red top. Just want to pop that trigger finger all over it. Sprinkle your parm. Used about a half a bag because I like it cheesy. Mix it up real well. Look at what it's doing to the cream of mushroom soup. It's making a little red. I like that. Layer that real nice. Lay it out nice and flat. Grab a piece of foil. Cover it right on up. We're gonna throw this in that oven that we preheated to 350. Put it in there for about 30-35 minutes till it gets a nice bubble. Open the oven. Push it on in. Remove the cover. If you notice, it's bubbling around the edges. Look at how Dano-mite that looks. That's that yum yum get you some. Trust me, I've seen me do it. Take the onions that you diced up. Grab them, sprinkle them around the top. Grab your crispy fried onions, sprinkle them across the top. Grab that Parmesan cheese you had, sprinkle some more across the top. We're gonna pick up the Dano's original. That's the green top. We're gonna give this an extra little blessing. That's looking dang good. Looking so dang good. Can you smell that flavor? Now we're gonna throw it back in the oven. Throw it back in the oven for 15 minutes. So the reason we waited till the last 15 minutes to put these on is because you don't want these getting soggy sitting there in the casserole while it cooks. You like that crispy top. That's also why we put the onions on afterwards, because they're gonna brown a little bit, but they got that dang good flavor, so they're gonna get that dang good brown and give you that dang good flavor right back in your taste buds. That's the best dang good looking toothpick kicking Thanksgiving green bean casserole I ever seen. So if you're at Thanksgiving and you see that toothpick kicking Thanksgiving green bean casserole on the counter, you know what to do. Grab you some, get you some. Make sure you get your fair share, because you want to get every bit of this. Corner your plate, because it's dang great. Oh, Dan. Oh, Dan. This is Dan-O-Mite, and if you don't make this and treat your family to flavor, you're missing out. I do suggest you use the Heart Healthy Campbell soup recipe for that cream of mushroom, because you don't ever want too much sodium. Sodium's not needed. That's why our seasoning is based off flavor. We don't use salt, we don't use sugar. We're not full of MSG. There's no chemicals in our product. We don't need that junk. We use a real sea salt. Check us out. You don't know till you dano. One bite will change your life. I'm a new man. Be sure to like, subscribe, and follow Dan-O Seasoning on YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, and TikTok. We're always doing the damn thing. Check us out. Can't stop, won't stop. Got flavor coming from the gills. You like a Betty Crocker Jr. Toothpick Crocker here. Or is it Toothpick Hines?